Okay guys, so this video is going to be on the last two questions which I have sent you today. These last two questions I haven't explained in the videos which I've sent before because they were not clear. So I'm going to explain it to you now. So classification of leaves, as I told you, leaves can be classified on many bases. Now what is the meaning of bases? For example, the students, wait 1 minute. For example, if the students of your class can be divided on the basis of gender, yes, on the basis of gender, if you divide them, yes, it is boy or girl, yes or no, yes, you can divide them on the basis of height, yes, on the basis of height. If you divide the students, they can be divided into tall and short, yes or no. So on the basis of height, they can be divided into tall or short, yes. On the basis of hair, they can be divided into brown hair, black hair, yes, only brown hair and black hair, not this one, yes. So on the basis of hair also they can be divided, yes. So what are these? What is this gender? What is this hair? And what is this height? These are nothing but these are bases. Okay, these are bases, means various types on the basis of which you divide. Just like that, leaves can also be divided on under various bases. The first one is the main classification, which you call simple leaf and compound leaf. Yes, this is the first main classification. Yes, when the question comes that what are the two types of leaves and they don't mention anything further, then you are going to write this simple leaf, compound leaf, and then you're going to explain what they are. Yes, but there are other bases as well. Other bases are what? Shape, and the third one is leaf margin. Okay, shape, you all know what shape is. And leaf margin, yes, I don't know whether I've explained you this before or not. Leaf margin, which portion do you call the leaf margin? You call this portion the leaf margin. Okay, you call this portion the leaf margin. Yes, this outer portion is what you call the leaf margin. Understood? Yes. So on the basis of the leaf margin also, leaves can be divided. Okay, so let us first check out the answers. First, the first question is that the first main thing is what are the two types of leaves. Like I told you, if they tell you that what are the two types of leaves and nothing is mentioned after this, then you're going to write this answer. The two types of leaves are simple leaf and compound leaf. But if they ask you that what are the types of leaves on the basis of shape, yes, on the basis of shape, what are the types of leaves, then you are writing this. Okay, you are writing this answer. What is the first type of leaf? First one is needle. Yes, needle means what? Where the leaf goes somewhat like this. Yes, it goes out like this and starts. Wait 1 minute, guys. Okay, sorry for that. So what happened when if the leaf goes out like this, yes, where this end portion is pointed, this is what you call a needle shaped leaf. Okay, this is what you call a needle shaped leaf. Now let's talk about oval. What is oval? Okay, so first let's talk about this oblong. Okay, so the next thing is a oval leaf. Okay, so first let's study these three. I've already explained you what a needle shaped leaf is. Yes. Next we move on to this oblong leaf. What is oblong leaf? The huge one like a banana. Yes, not pointed but a round, just a bit cylindrical in shape. A banana leaf, looks somewhat like this. Yes or no? With a very fat midrib. Yes or no? So this is what we call a oblong leaf. Yes. And the next one is a circular leaf. Okay, circular leaf means the leaf looks like a circle, is somewhat like this. Yes. Now we will look at oval leaf. Okay, so what is a oval leaf? Oval leaf looks somewhat like this. Okay, this one is the heart shaped leaf. Acha, leave it. So this is the oval leaf. Okay, oval means what? Not completely circular. Like circular leaf looks somewhat like this. Yes, where the leaf is circular. Yes, but this is a oval leaf which is circular. Sorry, this is a leaf which is circular only in the middle. Oval means circular only in the middle, egg shaped. Okay, oval means egg shaped. Okay, EGG SHAPED. Oval means egg shaped. So this leaf looks like an egg. Yes or no? This leaf looks like an egg. The next type is what? The next type is heart shaped, which I showed you just now. So this is what you call a heart shaped leaf. Yes, looks somewhat like a heart. Yes or no? Yes, this is what we call a heart shaped leaf. And then we get back to what? A tapering leaf. Tapering means what? I'm showing you the picture. Tapering is this one. Okay, so which starts pointing towards the end. Yes, the end of the leaf is pointing. Yes, the end of the leaf is pointing. This is what we call a tapering leaf. Okay, which is fat in the middle. It is fat in the middle, but it is tapering at the ends. Okay, so this is what we call a tapering leaf. And that's it. I've explained you all the three types. I've explained you needle type, oval, heart shaped, oblong like the one in the banana, circular and tapering. Yes. Now we move on to the next question. The next question asks you to divide the leaves on the basis of margin. Yes. The first one is complete margin. Complete margin means no problem, the leaves which you see every day. Yes. The margin is straight. Yes. No kind of shapes and everything. Yes. So this is what you call a complete or entire margin. Yes. Next is what? Next is a toothed margin. What is a toothed margin? I'm showing you the picture. I've taken it. Yes. So this is what we call this one. This one is what you call a toothed margin. Yes. Toothed means dant. Tooth means dant. Yes or no? Yes. And the ends of this look like teeth. Yes. So this is what you call a leaf with toothed margin. Okay, now we move on to this thing, wavy margin. What is wavy margin? Let's look at the picture. This one is what we call wavy margin, like a wave. Yes, like a wave at the ends. This is what we call the wavy margin. And finally a spinous margin, SPINOUS, spinous margin. Let's see if we have the picture or not. Yes, so spinous margin picture is not over here. Wait, I'm trying to show you a picture with a spinous margin. Okay, so this is what we call a leaf with a spinous margin. Yes, which has got thorns and at the end. Spines at the end means thorns at the end. This is what we call a leaf with a spinous margin. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll send you the remaining questions tomorrow, or I'll start with chemistry tomorrow. Okay.